Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert an SVG file into a PNG file. Now an SVG file is basically just a file type used for web images. So as you can see, I've got my SVG file over here, and if I wanted to open this as it is, then all we'd need to do is open it with an internet browser. So I can select open with and something like Google Chrome. And as you can see, this is our SVG image. So how we convert this into a PNG or a JPEG? Well, there's two different ways to do this. The first one is we're going to use an application called Adobe Illustrator. Now, if you don't have Adobe Illustrator on your computer, then don't worry, as in the second method, I'll be showing you a free tool that you can use to do this. But if you do have Adobe Illustrator or a free editing software already on your PC, then go ahead and open this now. So once we're inside of our photo editing software, then we're just going to come over to File at the top, select Open, and then you'll need to open your SVG file inside of here. Now, once we've got our SVG file on the screen here, we're going to come over to File, come down to Export, and then select Export As. And if I change the file type at the bottom here from SVG, you can see I can now convert this into a PNG or a JPEG, or basically whatever file type you want here. So I'm going to go ahead and select PNG, click on Export, press Yes, and I'm going to keep all of these settings the same. If you want to have a background color, you can change this to something like white or black, but I want to keep mine transparent, so I'm going to hit OK. Now, if I come back over to my downloads folder, you can see it's now created this PNG. And if I open this up in Photos, you can see here's now my image as an PNG file. Now, if you don't have any of these applications available on your computer, then don't worry, as we can also use a free online tool. So what you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and inside of Google, just type in convert SVG to PNG and hit enter. And you'll see a bunch of free tools on here that we can use to do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this top one here, svg to png.com. Then simply upload your file into this web browser. So I'm going to select my SVG file here. You can see we can actually upload 20 SVG files at once if we wish. Now, if I go ahead and press download all, this will now convert this automatically to a PNG. So let me just open this zip file up. And as you can see inside of here, we now have our PNG file. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you can convert an SVG file into a PNG file. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.